a wide range, but I know that many of my fans like my sensuous poetry. I don't want to be put in a box, so I'm going to read some poetry that is not sensuous first. Not yet. So I want us to imagine pots of potpourri and words. And I'm putting it on a stove with a low fire. And as I proceed, I will turn up the fire. Got it? The first poem, can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Okay. The first poem that I'm going to do is the one that I won the international award for, and it's called The Wall. The Wall. I stand here in the name of privacy, protection, and shelter. I am weak in the eyes of earthquakes or hurricanes. Yet the false sense of strength is not lessened because of its possible visit. My makers crucify me in the name of adorning me with their moods and their attitudes, adorning me with their hopes. My relatives overseas have to wear an additional garment known to the locals as wallpaper. Why then do I have to bare my naked chest to those who have to enter my presence? I, of Caribbean origin, wonder what it would be like not to bare my naked chest. I have the complexion chosen by those who wish to be embraced by me. My complexion, dependent on my inhabitants, may be as fair as the sunlight that surrounds my outer shell, or as dark as loneliness. Once a year I seem to be noticed, and perhaps be given a suntan or new adornments. I am weak, as my dwellers have to choose my appearance. Yet I am strong when the family of furniture arrives and has to blend with me and not I with them. When I feel ignored, I shed my tears. My tears are not of water. My tears are not of stone. My tears are flakes of solitude. My fears ignite as I watch those around me grow. Toddler Johnny has found the art of doodle and wishes to beautify me with his signature again and again. Careless Tom swears that a poster or two of his scary idols will shield me from harm. I am the protector. I need none of Tom's protection. I am the protector.